Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will quickly show you how to remove a payment method from the Bolt app in 2025. Start by opening the Bolt app on your phone. This method works the same on both Android and iPhone. Once you're in, tap the three-line menu icon at the top left corner of your screen here. Then scroll and tap on Payment here from the list. This is where all your saved payment methods are shown. You will now see the payment methods linked to your account, like card or wallets. To remove a card, simply swipe left on it. A red delete button will appear, like swipe here from here to left. Tap delete button and confirm to remove the card from your Bolt account. If you want to add a different payment method, just tap add payment method and follow the prompts here, like here. And that's it. You have successfully removed your payment method from Bolt. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.